Lucky bamboo plants are ideal plants for desktop, table arrangements, a simple house decor. So these plants are beginner gardeners plants too, since they are low maintenance and permanent. These are ideal house plants. When you grow these plants as indoor plants, these plants bring a lot of positive energies to your home. So there are many reasons to grow these beautiful lucky bamboo plants. Removing of yellow leaves or the dry leaves from the plant is very important. And you'll have to see for the brown tips as well. If you happen to see them, cut and remove them. So now here also we get some brown tips. Other than that, my plant is very healthy, green and lush. So today I will be covering up about this beautiful house plant, Lucky Bamboo, how to grow it as an indoor plant. So as you can see, this is in water. I propagated these stems in water and this is in soil. So let's see what are the tips with my personal experiences I'm sharing. So stay until the end to know all the details about Lucky Bamboo. Lucky bamboo plants are shade-loving plants. Due to that, this is one of the indoor plants. So you can, without any worry, keep it indoors as an indoor plant. They grow really well in a corner in your home. If you can provide it filtered sunlight, that is also fine. Keep it near a window so that the plant is getting enough sunlight too. If you happen to keep it in a dark corner in your home, make sure you transfer it outdoors at least once a week. You can grow these plants easily with a stem cutting. So select mature stems and put them in water. Within 2-3 weeks time, you will see that they are rooting. And cleaning the water also is very important. Keep the water clean. Change of water time to time is very important. And also see to the appearance of the roots in the stems. So as a house plant, you can use tea or coffee fertilizer for these plants time to time. Give it once a month, that will be enough. Don't overdo because these plants easily get root rot by overwatering and over fertilizing. So that is one thing you will have to keep in mind. So when talking about watering, that is the most important thing about growing lucky bamboo plants indoors. Once in a while you can water them, because do not go to water like you water your outdoor plants. So once a week watering thoroughly is very important. Do not go to overdo, but make sure that you give water time to time. Once a week is enough. But keeping these plants leaves are very important. So mist spray also in the morning. Every morning if you can will be really very helpful for the plant. And plant leaves will be breathable and it is really very clean and fresh, and it adds green to your home as well. When selecting of planters for these type of lucky bamboo plants, see that you select a medium to large size one, or else a tiny pot will be enough, but time to time then you will have to do repotting. So see that there is good drainage in the planter that you have selected when you are putting the plant in soil. So that is also very important and something that you will have to consider. Lucky bamboo plants are fengshui plants, and lucky bamboo plants are fengshui plants and believed to bring a lot of good wealth and prosperity to your home, and they attract good vibes. So this plant is one of the must-have plants in your house plants collection, and there are many videos that I have done on the same topic about this beautiful lucky bamboo plant, growing and taking care of it. So when you have time, you may want to watch them, and if there are any questions you can put them in the comments bar below. And I hope you find this video very useful. If you do, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for stepping into Tamara's garden. If you are new, consider to subscribe. Thank you.